got all those pieces, little tack pieces in there. We're gonna flip her back over and take all these screws out that just kind of held everything together. And then we'll continue on with putting more fiberglass on it to give it some strength. Now that we got that all done, it's all pieced back together. It's a nice solid piece. We'll probably come back in here and lay some thin fiberglass cloth over these seams just to give it a little bit more strength on this side. But it's all filled in with fiberglass resin and then matting on the back, which we're gonna have to add more now that the screws are gone. But it's coming along. We'll keep plugging it away. Little at a time, we'll get there. Check it out, we got another piece made. I forgot to video me making the little backer to kind of help support the fiberglass while I was making this curved piece because it curves up and I wanted it to overlap here. And if I did that with a metal piece, it would stick out way too far. So it'll be nice and flush. Nice, you know, be able to trim it around here where the windlace is gonna go. But we're making progress. We got a little bit more progress on the 37 Chevy sedan interior. As you can see, we've got the headliner fitted in here. We've got our sail panels back here put in and fitted up really nice. We also have that side, and I'll flip you around here. Show you here that we've got our side pieces in, our B-pillars as they called, and then that is overlapping the headliner. So basically the foam for the headliner will end right on this seam, and then this will tuck up right underneath that and give us a real nice transition. And I'll make the foam for this and this pretty much match. I'll show you once we get to that process. We're coming back, a little closer look at the back panel here. This is also overlapped the headliner, and this will also get foamed only down to that lip. But this is all in there. And then this material will get wrapped in behind this all the way around. And as you can see, we've got paneling starting to go on the inside that we're getting ready to start making our side panels so that we can make our armrests and then get the width for our seat so we can make our seat board for the back and start that process. And we'll do a little bit more videoing on that here in an upcoming video, but we're pretty much getting, you know, finished up on the fabrication part of this headliner so we can finish that series. And this one's all same thing. And then we've got our gapping in there for our windlace that's going to go around the doors. And I don't know if you can see, but we've got a gap. It's kind of hard, this tape is kind of folded in, but there's a gap, even gap all the way through here for our windlace to go in behind that too. But and then this was all molded to the roof of the car. But we're gonna keep plugging away and we'll update you when we get more.